sweeties, welcome back to our channel with little Miss Nessa, baby Valerie over there. Now, I'm not sure if you can see her, and Mommy Paulette. So today we have an unboxing to do. It's a little last minute, but hey, why not? It is a Glossybox.
Well, it's a different Glossybox. So it's not the same. Well, it's not doubles. It's
hello. Someone is getting there.
Ready for the party.
Someone's making sure she's on point for the video. Alright, so this is a Glossybox for the month of March. So let's get to it. And if you're not familiar with Glossybox, it is a $21 subscription box. They include skincare, hair care, and makeup, and just self-care in general. And it is $21 a month, but I am going to include a special coupon code on the description box and somewhere here on the screen. So stay tuned for that. Alright, let's get started. You want to do the honors?
Of course.
Of course.
Mom.
Open her up.
Open my God.
Whoa! Someone, instead of confetti, they're throwing raisins.
She just want to do some confetti.
She's also a party.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
The best baby.
Cool. So they include a catalog, which they have all the products listed. All the products listed, and just at first glance, I can tell you that it is a cleanser, a mascara, a primer, and a leave-in mask for the hair, and a highlighter. So, if you want a more in-depth review, make sure to head out to my blog. I have a full review on this box, and I will link it below. It is at lollipopcouture.com.
And please check out my video too.
Yes, go check out Little Miss Nessa's videos. She has a whole bunch of videos and a whole bunch to come.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that. Alright, let's get ready to unbox.
Just kids watch my channel. Just kids watch my channel.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. And moms can watch your channel.
Yes. Alright, so what is the first item?
Is confetti. Confetti.
The first item is from Gio. Don't Despair Repair, and it is a leave-in mask. It's supposed to strengthen your hair, which I have been using this ever since I got the box. I've been using it after I took a shower, and let me just tell you, it is phenomenal. Like, it leaves my hair soft and very, like, natural curls. So I do like this. I'm kind of running low, so I'm pretty sure you get like a couple of uses, but definitely so worth it. So this is the first item, which I do like. So the second item is Downtown Paris, and it is a highlighter. And this is to give you that glow that you're looking for. Like, if you know, right now it is spring. It is not super sunny here. So definitely this will give you that glow that you need. And I will do swatch time on that. I'm not going to apply it on my face because I already have a highlighter. But if you do want to read the full review, again, I will link my blog post below on this specific box. So I will do a swatch time on this highlighter. Okay, so the third item that I've been using religiously is the cleanser by Nuria. It's a rebalancing cleanser, and the thing that I like about this cleanser is that it is made with mandarin orange. It smells so good. It is not an exfoliator. It is very gentle, and it is something that you can use every day, which I've been using in the morning and at night, and I really like it. And I like the fact that it is a full-size product, because in this month I believe you get some deluxe products. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just I do like the fact that it's a full size, so you can get the whole full effect. So I do like this one, and it's probably like my favorite thing out of the box. The next item is by Jensa. Color and Fades is a tone-up primer with Essential Glow. And I have been using this and I do like it. I think it does an excellent job at priming my face and getting it prepped for makeup, and I do like it. And it does brighten up my skin, which I like that. And it like blurs out the imperfections, like the little scars that we have from my pimples. So I do like that. Definitely a primer that I do like. So the next and last item is this mascara by Mana Kadar Beauty. And the packaging looks really cool. Like really cool. And when I open it, even the mascara brush, it looks pretty cool. But it's for the eyelashes.
Well, we're kind of going to do something.
No, we don't do so much time on this. So I like the packaging. I like the way that the little brush looks, the spoolie. But I don't think it does what it's supposed to do. Like, I honestly had high hopes for this mascara. It kind of disappointed me because it doesn't do what I want it to do. There is some fallout. When you take out the product or the spoolie out of the tube, you get a lot of product, and you do have to take out some.
For your first baby.
But you know, it's not my favorite type of mascara. I usually like to go for the more silicone type of brush as opposed to this type of bristles. So it's kind of like not for me. Alright, so this is swatch time. So the top one is the highlighter by Downtown Paris, and the bottom one is the Gensa primer. And I have not blended, and I will do that momentarily so you can see. But this is what it looks like. And I will blend it. Alright, so I already blended both the highlighter and the primer. And the primer, you cannot see it anymore. It really incorporated into my skin, which is pretty awesome. And as far as the highlighter, you can barely see it. Like the shimmer is right there. I think it is noticeable more in person versus camera. And that is it for swatch time. So that is it for the Glossybox for the month of March. And this is variation 1, so you may get a different variation. You can save money by buying more subscriptions. Like, you can prepaid your subscription and you save money. And I will leave any special codes below.
You know what is fun?
What?
Party time!
Yes, party time! Well, we hope you had fun unboxing with us. And if you did, make sure to share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And say it. Hold on. Why are we hitting that notification bell?
Yes,
for future videos. So we post videos about mom life, unboxing, simple, easy makeup tutorials, challenge videos, kids videos, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you hit that notification bell for future videos. So we hope to see you next time.
Yeah, and
for you. Bye.
Party time!
Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo!
And action!
Excellent.
Hello, my sweeties. Welcome back to Action!
Hello, kids and markets. Welcome back to Mommy Channel with videos.